This is the audio I recorded using the Insert Audio button inside iSpring Visuals. And it looks good. Let's give it a little bit of a listen. Roles for different types of camera. With modern, it's a bit on the quiet side, so what we'll do is we'll select everything and then we'll use the Adjust Volume tool. Nice thing about this is it shows you what it's doing on the fly to the waveform. Now we can see that there's this bit here that's louder than the rest, so to even it out, we'll just select that and we'll lower the volume. Now it looks pretty good. There is a bit of noise in between the parts where I'm speaking though. Let's give that a little preview. For the job. We hope you find this quick primer. It's not too bad, but iSpring's remove noise feature is pretty good, so we'll just select some of the area without speech but with some noise, and we'll click remove noise. Roles for different types of camera. With modern digital cameras, getting into photography is and I found that the remove noise feature takes out a good amount of noise and doesn't flatten the audio like sometimes noise removal options do. I hope you've enjoyed this quick look at what you can do with iSpring Audio Editor. It's really convenient. It's right inside iSpring 9. It comes with it, so there's no real downside to using it.